Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make stuffed pancake muffin bites. The ingredients that we're going to need today are turkey bacon, or the bacon of your choice. I'm using turkey breakfast sausage links, or you can use the sausage of your choice. Also, pancake mix, syrup, and confectioner's sugar. Once you're done cooking your bacon and sausage, we're going to go ahead and cut them into little pieces. And guys, I'm only making like 6 muffins, but if you're making more, of course you will cook up more bacon and sausage. I use 5 slices of bacon and 4 sausages. Once you have your sausage and bacon cut up, we're going to move to our pancake mix, and we're just going to prepare it according to the instructions on the box. Okay, now you want to get your muffin pan, and all you're going to do is spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. Like I said, I'm only making 6 muffins. Once you've sprayed it, we're going to take our pancake batter, and we're just going to put some on the bottom. You can set your oven now to 400 degrees. Next, we're going to take our syrup and just put a little on top of the pancake mix. Next, we're going to go ahead and get our turkey bacon. Put some on top. You can mix it or make them separate. Make some just with sausages and some with the bacon. Now, take your pancake mix, and we're just going to go over top of everything. Do that for each one. Now guys, we're going to go back over top of it with our syrup. Now they're ready to go in the oven, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so this is our stuffed pancake muffin bites. As you can see, I cut one open. If you would like, all you want to do is sprinkle a little bit of confectioner's sugar over top. And you can add syrup if you would like. So this is another easy breakfast for back to school that the kids will enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.